When you document your site, perhaps photos are not enough, not in every case. So what can you do? You could add a video. So you could select the camera option, and instead of photos, you will select video. Each video can be max 5 minutes, but you can record as many videos as you want. So here we could say, okay, we record our bathroom, we have a general overview. Up there, there's perhaps a little bit of mold. Here we have our damage. We can take a closer look. We see that it needs to be fixed. There's perhaps also some damage here on the floor. And then we can also take a look around here on the entire bathroom, right? So we recorded all our space, the entire room, basically. Once we're happy, we tap on stop and next, and we save our video. Tap on save all. If you want, then you can also take a look around and see if you would like to add a caption. For example, you could say bathroom overview. And as simple as that, you added also something that everyone will understand.